Hey everyone, it's Landon here from Zero Grid. Just thought I'd jump on real quick and show you one of the new DIY kits that we've got together. So it is just up here. It is this one here. I've set it up for with tiny houses in mind. So I've just put this kit together for someone, and I'm super excited about it because it come out really quite affordable. And these people, they don't have a massive load. They want to be able to run the air conditioner some days, but otherwise just like a coffee machine, most mornings and a few things like that. So the 3000 VA solar ticks all those boxes. The EasySolar unit. So that's what the unit's based around, and it's worked out really well, and really quite affordable too. The batteries, so the minimum is the 2 batteries, 10 solar panels, and you can either have the earth guard or not. To meet the requirements and the standards, we do need to have the earth guard in there. So even with all that, it comes out to just under 12 grand. So, which is pretty epic, really, to be able to live off grid and be able to run your coffee machine and air conditioning and all that type of stuff. And this is the wiring diagram that comes with it. So it's pretty simple. Solar panels wired through an isolator into the EasySolar unit. There can be a hardwired generator or whatever through a circuit breaker into the EasySolar, and then you can have your outgoing circuits as well. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy to set up in my opinion, and pretty affordable. So yeah, it's worked out. It's really quite good, and I'm just excited to show people and about one of our new kits, and hopefully it can help some of you guys out to live in your tiny house off grid. So if you have any questions, just reach out and we'll do our best to help you out. Cheers, guys.